Flight of the CrowsWing presents 26 modifications to our Flagstaff Epro 19FD, Part 3 of 4. Modification number 25. We move the lithium batteries inside. It is well known that lithium batteries don't charge below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. While we don't normally seek out cold weather, sometimes the cold weather finds us. We decided that a good place for the batteries to live would be in the pass-through underneath the couch. This would keep the wiring close to what it was originally and keep the batteries out of our way. Here is a before and after electrical diagram from amateurs. This is a not-to-scale representation of how the batteries were installed in the 19FD when we purchased the trailer. We have battery 1 and battery 2 in the battery box on the tongue. They're wired in parallel together. The positive wire from battery 1 goes to the 100 amp breaker box. The negative wire from battery 2 goes to a ground on the frame. And the inverter positive goes through a hole in the floor and out to the 100 amp breaker box. The negative wire from the inverter goes from the inverter through the hole in the floor and out to the negative terminal on battery 2. When we decided to install the Battle-Born lithium batteries into the trailer, we decided to put them underneath the couch to keep them from freezing. So we built a battery box under the couch at the Murphy bed wall. Battery 1 and battery 2 wired in parallel together. And we installed a shunt so we can keep track of the amps going in and out of the batteries beside the battery box. The positive cable I ran from battery 2 positive through the storage compartment on the driver's side of the trailer, through the factory hole in the wall underneath the bed, through the hole in the floor, and out to the 100 amp breaker box. The negative cable from battery 1 goes to the shunt, and then a negative cable goes from the shunt through the storage compartment, out through the hole in the floor, and to the stock ground on the frame. The inverter, the positive cable stayed the same and ran straight to the 100 amp breaker box. The negative cable was long enough to run through the storage compartment and to the shunt. Everything is wired exactly the same as the factory did. We just used 2 longer wires to finish it.
Roar, roar, yum, 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 yum. Ah.
The seating portion of the sofa came off in 2 sections. They are each held on by 4 bolts, most easily accessible through the doors on the pass-through. We bolted 2 Group 31 battery trays to the floor. These trays included straps to secure the batteries. The tools we used were the common drill, screwdrivers, and sockets. It is important to me to monitor the batteries, so we added this Victron Smart Shunt. The Bluetooth-capable shunt connects to an app on your phone.
Here we have the lithium batteries have been moved inside. The box there on it. This way they will not freeze.
The box.
We'll fit right over top without bumping anything.
There's access to the batteries.
Here we are working on our project. This is what the inside of the trailer looks like. But where we're working is nice and clean.
Nice and clean. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out our next video, part 4 of this 4-part series.
Just found 2 lumps on my car battery. Got them tested. One came back positive. I hope it is not terminal. I walked into Battery World and asked for a specific battery. The guy said, "Is it for a clock?" I said, "I don't know, that's why I need a battery." A bent nail, a battery, and jumper cables. Walk into a bar and order a beer. "I can't serve you," says the bartender. "Why not?" asks the nail. The bartender responds, "Because you look hammered and your friends look like they are trying to start something." Haha LOL. I am a funny guy.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and please check out our channel.